Hey you, happy Monday and welcome back to my channel. On Mondays, we talk money. So I help business owners reach their ideal clients and make more money. And specifically on Mondays, I tell you about how I do that. So it's Money Mondays. Specifically today, we're going to focus on how personal trainers can make more money using Instagram specifically. Very specific today. So I'm going to give you six points that you can do if you're a personal trainer. In fact, it works for most businesses. You can change it into whatever, but specifically a personal trainer today. I'm going to give you 6 points on that and then 2 bonus points. So number one is the biggest problem I see with a lot of businesses in general, but especially personal trainers. And it's that they don't pick a niche. So they tell people they can do everything. They can solve all your problems. So really, you want to pick a niche. What is the outcome of what you do? Do you help people lose weight? Do you help them get toned up? Are they going to be bodybuilders after this? And stick to that niche. Because the more niche you are, the more you're going to attract the ideal client. And the more you stick to that content, the more money you're going to make, because you're going to reach the right people. They're going to understand what you want to do and they're going to want to buy from you. So I have some notes up here, so I'm just going to look back and forth. So everything from what you're posting in your posts to your bio to your stories, all of that needs to be in and around the key message of your niche. So number one is define your niche and then talk about the results. So don't talk about what you do, talk about the results of what you do. So no one really wants to go on a diet. No one really wants to work out 10 hours a day. What's the outcome of those things? Focus on that. Number two is using your client as marketing. So not just before and after pictures, which everyone does, which are good as well, but also their actual story. So where were they when they came to you? How did they feel? And then how did you get them to where they need to be? So, really, it's someone else. People remember stories, they forget facts. So it's someone looking at that and saying, oh my God, she or he was in my exact situation before, and now they are where I want to be. That could be me. I'm going to go to that personal trainer. That's the person I want to buy from. So people remember those stories, and because it's coming from someone else and not you, they believe it. So make sure that you've tagged that person. Obviously, you've asked their permission. You have their before and after pictures. You've taken them at the start and the end. If you can get their real face and really tag them in it, it's much more believable. But also just adding that little extra bit of their story, people will want to buy from you after that, I promise you. Number three is use you. So there's something unique and wonderful and amazing about you. And you might have went through your own personal fitness journey. So make sure you're telling people about that and reminding them of it, because don't forget you're getting new followers all the time. So, have one in your highlights, my story, have it in your about section, your website, Facebook, all that good stuff. And just, don't forget, guys, check out my About Me, where I came from. Tell your story, not your degrees or your fitness qualifications or whatever. Tell the story of where you were and how you helped yourself get forward, or how you helped other people get forward, and you want to do that for more and more people. People will remember and resonate with your story. Second of all, use you as in, I want to see your face in your videos, you doing workouts, you doing, daily routines, that type of thing. We want to get to know you. People buy from people. So if you want to make money on your get more clients from Instagram, what you want to do is start posting personal stuff. And I don't mean personal stuff like your dog or your cat, personal stuff in relation to fitness. So what workouts are you doing? What meditations are you doing in the morning? How do you lose weight? Whatever your niche is. What we want, if I'm going to buy from you, I need to know, like, and trust you. And a way to do that is to create a following that feel like they know, like, and trust you. Posting your face, talking to camera, talking to people. Yeah, a big thing is doing your workouts as well, the workouts that you do and getting people to go along with you. And then doing your daily routine, like fun stuff like, I don't know, the smoothies you eat, or drink, the food you eat, the, views from your current workout, whatever it is, but things that can get us to know you on a slightly more personal level as well. Number three is hashtags. So as a general rule, the hashtags you should be using are long tails. So, fitness, weight loss, those are quite wide. Then or local ones, so, you know, Fitness London, Fitness Ireland, Fitness Donegal, Fitness Dublin, and then as well as our popular ones, so ones that are being used all the time. To use a mix of those means you'll get found for different reasons and by different people. But another thing is, think about what your ideal client is using or searching. So what are they actually searching? What is your ideal client searching? So weight loss tips, bodybuilding tips, you know, what kind of things are they going to be writing in that you can be found for? So again, that the very start, you need to be niche, you need to know what they're looking for. But if you can be found by your ideal client, they can hire you, you know, making money, simple, by simply using the right hashtags. So try and test as well with these hashtags. If you want to tell me your niche below, I can give you an idea of some hashtags that I think you should be using. Also, look at your industry leaders and competitors. What hashtags are they using and what's working for them? Number 4 is working with influencers. So if there's people in your area who are influencers who have a good following, and it doesn't have to be 20,000, it could be 5,000, it could be 1,000, as long as they have your ideal clients following them. You know, maybe you could do something with them where you collaborate, you do something, you know, help them with their fitness, they help you with something, and they can show results to their followers. The other one, number 5, is collaborators. So it's a bit different. So you just collaborate with someone. So you might do work with someone who's in your niche. So for instance, for a personal trainer, if you don't do nutrition, you might work with a nutritionist and do a joint competition, a joint Q&A, a joint training, a joint series of training, something like that. So someone who has your ideal clients as their followers, and then team up with them to do something. So number 6 is the last one, but it is a really, really good one that is can really set you apart. And it's got me a lot of clients when I started doing it. And it's hosting an IGTV series, so Instagram TV series. So a series of videos on Instagram Live, and it's live at the time, that are adding value to your ideal client. So let's say you're doing weight loss. 5 days to lose 5 pounds, I'm making this up right now. And every day you come on and you do a tip for them on how to lose 5 pounds. It could be 5 weeks to lose 5 pounds, and every week you come on and do a tip, 10 pounds, whatever it is. But it creates a lot of different things that I've been talking about. You're in your niche, you're being consistent with showing up and showing your face, and people are getting to know, like, and trust you. You're going to put all the hashtags on that one as well. You even could get your clients to come in and say, I've been doing this, getting people to tag you to say they're doing this and they lost X amount of weight. All of that will help you to make money off your Instagram account, I promise you. The 2 bonus tips I have for you, one is to go live as often as you can. So live video is being pushed out to a lot of people, and it's really, really good way for people to, first of all, it's really real, so people want to see you live and they want to feel like they're really engaging with you. Second of all, Instagram is pushing it as well. The second one, and it's most important right now, is Reels. Make sure you're doing Reels. I'm literally putting up posts and they're getting maybe a couple of hundred, near 1,000, whatever follows. Sorry, not follows, engagements, reactions, whatever. Putting up Reels and I'm getting 2,500, 3,000. It's being pushed and pushed and pushed, and that's only going up every time I put up a reel. And I've only really started it myself doing reels. So definitely, if you're not doing reels, get on them now. So hope this helps. Those are my top tips for personal trainers on making money on Instagram. Every Monday, I'm going to do a Make Money series. Please, if you're interested, like and subscribe. Let me know what you'd like me to focus on specifically. So this month, I decided to focus on Instagram and how different niches can do it. And probably at the end, I'll do one just general Instagram. But if there is a specific way you want me to talk about making money, let me know. Hope you're all having a great Monday.